Yeah, in this video we are going to show you how to remove the navigation screen and the speedometer cluster for Mercedes S550 2014 and up. The tools that you need is size T20 angle screwdriver plus this blue dashboard removal tool. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only. In the first step, you need to pop this speaker grill panel on the top of the dashboard. Just insert your tool and then just pop it up, and then you slide it forward, and then you disconnect the connector for the sensor in the back. And now you remove the foam underneath and pull it forward. There are 3 mounting screws size T20 Torx, which I'm going to show it to you from the outside of the vehicle, would be easier to see. Yeah, these are the location of the screw right over here, and then there is another one in the middle, and then there is another one at the end. There is another one at the end. Yeah, I'm going to show it to you from a different angle. This is the first one, driver's side, and this one is in the middle right here, and then this one is all the way on the corner on the passenger side. Yeah. Once you get these 3 screws out, they're size T20 Torx, and then you will be able to pull the display forward. And before you do that one, make sure your steering wheel, you put it forward all the way, and then cover the dashboard so when you put it out you won't scratch it. Now you can grab the both sides of the monitor and then tilt it toward yourself and then pull it forward. And it has 5 connectors, 2 on the passenger side, and then 1 in the middle, and then 2 on the driver's side. Once you get all these connectors out, then we can remove the monitor. And if you need any repair for the speedometer cluster or the navigation display, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.